I never see one of these before. Talking about the Doorbusters, the slider on the side, it doesn't have it on the back. All right, another Doorbuster. Check out the Axis UTVs. These are really, really nice UTVs. So you got a flat tire there. Pretty much like a regular door if you pull it. Then you got the cab. Pretty nice. 2 chairs. Pretty good, nice size door there to get in. You got the parking, reverse, neutral, high, and low gear. A nice screen. A glove compartment. And then you got the 2 seats with some headrests. And then you got the roof. Windshield. And then you got the front there. So this one's $11.99. This one's not bad. It is 4-stroke. 750cc engine. So you do get winch on the front. So a small UTV winch. All right. So this one's a little bit looks like an upgraded model. It is. You're able to dump the back, raise the back so you can dump it. But it looks like an upgraded model. I don't know exactly what the difference on these are. A lot of you probably know. Let us know in the comment section what the difference on those. But all I see is the red color and the suspension basically. It's a little different. So that's what the front looks like. On this one, it's a little dusty, but this one's again 11,999, 750cc, XS 750. And then this one's different. You guys see the shocks? It's kind of different. On the back, that is the lever for the dump, right there. Just raise that up and it races. And that's what the front looks like. This one's the X550. This is new model. And then 540cc. And this one's 900 or 9,999. All right, so let's go into the stores, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more holiday deals, more Black Friday deals. Yes, we got the Doorbusters. Yeah, there's gonna be some Doorbusters already up. I believe they're still on regular price. They're not gonna let you get the Black Friday Doorbuster price, for the Friday up until that day. But I do see the boxes stacked up already in the middle of the aisles, or in the middle section there. You guys will see them right now later in this video. You got the two silicone black scrubbers. Now these, I never used those before, but they seem to be pretty nice. Extra long bristles and rubber scrubbers there. All right, so another deal. This is pretty much $49.98. This is 3-in-1 vacuum blower. Just to let you know, I will be picking the best deals out of the whole Black Friday store here at the Loves. I'm not gonna go through everything, but I will point out the best ones since we're already the last week of Black Friday. All right, so $159, you got the 3 drawers. $139, you got the single drawer. Keep in mind that they do already have the rolling drawer cart, bottom base basically for the clean tools. $249 for the 3-piece, $159 for the 3 drawer, and $139 for the single drawer. And then you got the trade stack for $149, which is a pretty good deal for that one. And then you got the Versa stack for $99. $169 for the K stack, the Cobalt, and then $249 for the Flex. All right, the ratchets, guys, this is a pretty good deal. $19.98. You got a 1/4-inch 3/8 drive, Flex or regular. Mechanics tool sets. These are $39.98. This is a pretty nice piece. 38 piece, and then you got 18 piece down there. These are the V series hand tools that they call them. Those are the V series kits, mechanics tool sets, and that's pretty nice. Those are all pretty nice, compact. All right, so $99 down from $149, $159 pieces. Now this one's pretty nice. I do like it because it does include wrenches, longer sockets, shorter sockets, a bit driver, and 3 different ratchets. Some extensions. This is pretty much what you're gonna need. Some adapters. I personally like the case better than the drawers, because you just open up and everything is just right there. $99 for the Versa stack. Again, budget friendly there for that one. But definitely the Pro is going to be on the stack pack or the... Okay, we got this is battery mounts for the Craftsman V20. $23.97. You can pretty much screw those anywhere. Clearance, we got the brad nailer, 18 bolt brad nail from the Metabo, 104 down for 149. It is pretty nice. It does come with battery and charges a 2 amp hour battery. No gas, according to what it says right there. 149 for the 2-tool combo kit. You got impact driver and drill driver, 1 battery, or the impact wrench. Now this one only does come with 1 battery, unfortunately, but for a DIY homeowner, that's pretty much all you're gonna need. That is a 2 amp hour battery and 85 watt charger. That's actually a pretty fast charger there. You got a 1/2 inch mid torque impact wrench. Now this one does come with the 4 amp hour battery and 150 watt rapid charger. So this comes with the upgraded charger. Alright, so this one's $698. Your choice here on any of these exclusive lock back. Heavy duty shears, multicolor markers. You got the shears there, pretty nice. I really love the handles of what Cobalt does. Alright, got the V series. These are the ratcheting wrench sets. 29 out of these are pretty nice for ratcheting wrench sets, and they are swivel. Some of them are swivel. I'll leave you guys the audio there so you guys can hear the ratcheting part. You got aviation snips. $12.98 is your choice here. You got straight cut. And they're all color coded, so you guys could see left cut. And then, yep, right there. They're all color coded. By blue, green, yellow. Alright, so these are new, guys. They just dropped these. I never seen these before. Actually, I've seen this brand, but never seen this bits. Got a 61 piece for $29.98 and $14.98 for those 3 pieces, and then 24 impact set for $19.98. This is an impact driver set here. It's pretty nice. It does come with a lot of 2-inch bits and 1-inch bits there. A very compact case. Alright, you got a 3-piece nut driving set here from the 1/4 inch. You can use this with an impact driver. Yep, nut settler for the Weehaw. And then you got a socket adapter. So I do use a lot of these for tool testings for you guys. I haven't tested those yet. So these are Weehaw 61-piece impact bit sets. This was pretty nice. Lots of star bits, squares, and hex. Alright, so I never seen one of these before. This is actually pretty interesting what they did with this. I guess you can raise it up. Maybe the feet are adjustable. It says height, adjustable height workbench. You got $3.99, so pretty nice on that one. 10-year warranty, 6 feet wide, 2-drawer adjustable. So I guess it's adjustable by the feet there. You got the drawers there, pretty nice deep drawers. And then here's the other drawer there. You got a nice enclosed wire there at the bottom. And then you got some peg. You guys could put some tools there with some hooks. And then again, it is adjustable there at the bottom, if you guys do see. You got $95 on clearance for the Nexus Escape. Down from $119. It was already sold out. Alright, these fridges. These are great for the garage, for the shop, guys. These are $86 on clearance. So make sure you guys double check on your stores. That would be nice to have something like that in the garage. You got the wine fridge. You guys use this for something else, you know, beer, whatever. You got to take additional 50% off on clearance price. You got a this one's a CF. Yeah, anytime you're buying exhaust fan, make sure it's gonna be closer to that 100 CFM. Maybe 80. It's gonna be a nicer, more powerful fan there. Because 50, I don't think it's a lot. Indestructible flashlight. That would be nice to buy that and try to destroy it. See if it's actually indestructible. You got a hybrid rechargeable spotlights, $24.97. Then you got some more lights here on clearance, $9.97, $13.97 for those. All right, 4-port charger, $69 off from $99 for the Cobalt, 24 volts. You got the Dremel Multimax for $118. You got another fridge here for the garage, for the shop. Now this one's a little bit nicer. It does come with the freezer, and is $136. I would definitely go for this one. This one's pretty nice. All right, toolboxes. These are really, really nice toolboxes. I really love the colors on these. $398 from $498, especially the black with the blue. That's my favorite. But yeah, self-closing, really nice drawers. Very smooth on the ball bearings. And some nice deep drawers at the bottom. You got $12.98 for a holiday tracker kit. So this one, if you already got the staples, all you have to do is just buy those adapters there for the wires, so you guys won't be hitting those wires. But yeah, if you guys don't have any of those, then this is the kit for you, pretty much. And then you can buy those insulators separately if you don't want to buy the whole thing. Alright, so I found this tool. I've seen it already. It's 0 different loaves, but I haven't had the chance to actually mess with it. And you guys do see the way you do push the button and you switch it. That is the price right there. It's actually on sale for $79. You got a drilling mode and screwing mode. Now, this is a pretty nice invention, basically. A pretty nice tool. I would say mostly for somebody that's drilling and screwing stuff in pretty much for a long time. That's because you're not switching. I personally like to have a drill and an impact driver, as you guys do see here, by my side all the time. That's just my preference. Have the tool, dedicated tool for that. For that price, $79, I believe you could get yourself a nice set of impact driver and drill driver for around $100. So I don't know. It just depends on yourself if you're limited on space. But I would definitely invest in that impact driver and drill driver. That feels really, really nice on that skill compact set there. All right, talking about some doorbusters, guys. I don't know if these are actually doorbusters or not, but they were boxes stacked up really high and in the front of the store. So that, my guess, is probably the doorbusters that are going to be for that Black Friday deal. However, they were not on the Black Friday pricing yet, or the doorbuster pricing. They were just on the sale price. These do have pretty nice storage for these boxes. These things are huge. I can't imagine what something will weigh, like, filled with tools and materials and stuff like that. This thing will weigh a ton. But it is pretty nice. It does have a nice handle. You could pick it up and just roll it out. Alright, talking about the doorbusters, this is what I'm talking about. You got all these toolboxes and stuff lined up in the middle of the store. With regular pricing, get the trade stack with totes for $99. I really love these totes. These are really nice totes, especially because of the red. They're just easier to see. Wish they would have done the red all the way around in the inside. That would have been nice. But yeah, pretty nice. And then we got some more toolboxes here stacked up. They only had 2 here, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna have some more. 48 job site, 48-inch job site storage box. That's where the lock goes in there, and then I like the fact that it's covered by some weather material. You got the inside, pretty nice. It does have a shock on one side. And that's the locking mechanism right there. Cobalt. That one's $489. All right, next one down. This one's a vacuum suction cup, $59.98. So I don't know how this one actually works, or what would you use this for. Personally, I never even seen something like this. All right, you got the 20-ounce smooth face steel hammer, $14.98. It does have some really nice weight to it. Plus, it does have that magnetic starter, which I really do love on these. $14.98 for this chisel set. This is pretty nice. It does have the cobalt rubber handle. $29.98 for this piece. 106 piece. Tic Tac case. A whole bunch of 1-inch bits. Nut driver, spade bits, and some drywall. Looks like some drywall. And then you got this. This is a kit for $199. It does come with a nailer and looks like a hose and $9.98 for the 3-in-1 multi saw. And then check this out. This is like a 45. This is, you can get your 45s cuts here. Precise measurements. Pretty nice what they did with this. So, some shears. Alright, another doorbuster here that they had. This is a 2-shelf utility cart. $129 and it's all black. So, and then check this out, guys. This is my favorite bit set. Out of all of them, this one's the one to go. It does have those security bits. Any bit that you're gonna need, you're gonna find it here basically, unless it's a really, really special kit. But yeah, this is my go-to kit. It's on sale for $12.98. That's probably the lowest I've seen it. $29.98 for this extension. 22-piece accessory kit. Another killer deal, or a killer tool to get. $24.90 for the 11-piece combination wrench set. And then you got the 7 1/4 miter saw, $149 down for $199. Now these were all stacked up again in the middle of the aisle here. These are probably going to be doorbusters. You got $49.98 for the spotlight, 5,000 lumen. Focusing lights, 6,000 lumen for that one. On that one, check out the LED on that thing. That thing's huge. You got a circular, so this is 6.5 circular saw kit. That's going battery and charger for $79. Battery and charger included, and that is a 4 amp hour battery and a 85 watt charger. So on that one, pretty nice. All right, here's another doorbuster. $199. They got, again, this is lower. This is a regular price, regular sale price, if you want to say that. But it does include a lot of tools. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna see that even lower. You got a 297-piece mechanics tool set. Now this was pretty nice. It's really nice actually. It does have a lot of bits, a lot of L wrenches, 3 different ratchets, all for $99. Very nice. A very complete kit. Got another deal here. Is you got the DeWalt 12-inch dual miter saw, and you do get a stand for free with that $4.99 price. Still pretty good deal on that one. This one is the one that started everything. You know, and then for the Metabo, if you guys want something against the wall, you don't want to take so much space. You want something reliable. This one's the one for you. $349 for down from $449 for the double bevel slider here. Now this one has the slider on the side. It doesn't have it on the back. You guys do see right there, pretty nice what Metabo did. This was as on sale. Pretty nice piece there. And then you got this table saw. Guys, that's it for today. Let us know in the comment section, what do you guys think? Are those gonna be doorbusters, those big boxes in the middle of the store, or what doorbusters did you see last year? Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.